Hi, this is Mr. Pau Zahub Guite, President, Kuki Students Organization, Delhi and NCR. Regarding my recent viral statement over the Shiroi Lidi Festival, I would like to clarify that my remarks were misinterpreted. There I stated that the festival appears to be a covert attempt by certain civil society organizations to encroach upon demarcated buffer zones, which I opposed. My primary concern was rather maintaining peace and stability in the state, ensuring safety for all communities, particularly women and children. Given the volatile situation and reports of potential confrontation, my statement was aimed at restraining and protecting, not inciting any form of violence. Given this volatile situation, I feared for our lives and thus advocated for maintaining buffer zones to ensure peace and stability. Allowing those who have looted sophisticated weapons to operate freely poses a significant threat to our lives, specifically the Arambai Tenggol and Valley-based insurgent groups with their arsenal of over 6,000 looted sophisticated arms and 6 lakh rounds of ammunition could disrupt the existing fabric of peace and stability in the region, potentially sparking widespread violence. My statement was a major and cautionary message to prevent further escalation and safeguard everyone irrespective of communities and belongings. Buffer zones are crucial for peace, and that I urge caution to prevent escalation. Notably, several Kuki civil society organizations have clarified that there is no coordinated opposition to the festival per se. Meanwhile, the Honorable Supreme Court of India in multiple proceedings has taken judicial notice of the complete breakdown of law and order in the state of Manipur and the resultant loss of public confidence in the state institutions. Unfortunately, my words were misinterpreted and taken out of context.